10 hilarious secrets to mastering media literacy, you won't believe. Do you remember that viral story about the lady who sued a fast food chain for their coffee being too hot? She became the poster child for frivolous lawsuits, right? Wrong. Turns out, the details were way more serious than the media made it out to be. But hey, we're here to make sure you never fall for that kind of trickery again. Today, we'll reveal 10 hilarious secrets to mastering media literacy. 1. Sniff out clickbait like a bloodhound. Clickbait is like junk food for your brain. Tastes good, but not so nutritious. To avoid it, always check the headlines for sensationalism, capital letters, and exclamation points. You know, the stuff that screams "click me, I'm irresistible." 2. Know your media BFFs and frenemies. It's like high school all over again. Some media sources are trustworthy pals, while others are straight-up drama queens. Research and keep a list of reliable sources to make sure you're hanging out with the right crowd. 3. Say it with me, correlation does not equal causation. Just because two things happen at the same time, doesn't mean one caused the other. So, next time you read that eating ice cream leads to shark attacks, remember this mantra. 4. Photos don't lie, but they can be pretty sneaky. Don't trust every photo you see. They can be edited, taken out of context, or just plain old misattributed. A quick reverse image search can save you from looking like a gullible goober. 5. Follow the money trail. Find out who's funding your news. Is it a reliable source or a sketchy billionaire with an agenda? Follow the Benjamins to see if you're being served a balanced meal or a plate of propaganda. 6. Fact-check like a boss. Don't take everything at face value. Use fact-checking websites like Snopes, factcheck.org, or PolitiFact to see if your latest news tidbit is legit or just an internet tall tale. 7. Be a grammar detective. Spotting bad grammar, spelling mistakes, and sloppy punctuation is like finding Waldo in a sea of red herrings. If you find a news article that looks like it was written by a caffeine-fueled monkey, it's probably not legit. 8. Beware of confirmation bias. We all like to be right, but don't let that blind you. Be aware of your biases, and don't just trust news that confirms your existing beliefs. Broaden your horizons, and you'll be a media literacy superstar. 9. Check the date, mate. Old news can be misleading. Always check the date to make sure you're not spreading outdated info. Nobody wants to be the person who's still talking about Y2K in 2023. 10. Share responsibly. Now that you're a media literacy ninja, use your powers for good. Before hitting that share button, double-check your facts and sources. You never know who might be watching and learning from you. And there you have it, folks. 10 hilarious secrets to mastering media literacy. Now, go out there and conquer the world of information like a true internet ninja. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tips. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed. Remember to keep the tone lighthearted and entertaining throughout the video.